friends, welcome back to the Vivat Vivian. Today is episode 2 of our new financial talk show, and I brought a special guest. It's a piggy bank we have at home for a long time, but honestly, it just sits there for decoration, and I have never actually used it to save money.
Really? Most kids have one. Why do you think piggy bank is typically shaped like a pig?
Well, most people think it's because pigs are just super cute.
They are.
But it's actually a hilarious mistake that happened 600 years ago. Back in the Middle Ages, long before regular banks existed, most people stashed their extra money or coins inside of cheap clay jars at home. That specific orange-colored clay happened to be called pig clay. P-Y-G-G is how you spell it.
Oh, wait. So pig, which is spelled P-Y-G-G, was just the name of the dirt clay, not the animal?
Exactly. For over hundreds of years, people forgot about the clay and the word pig started sounding exactly like the animal pig. But by the 1800s, when people asked pottery makers to build them a pig bank, the workers thought they meant the farm animal. They started shaping the clay into literal little pigs with coin slots. People loved the funny accident, and the design stuck forever.
Wow, so it was just a giant language misunderstanding. That's so funny.
I know, a total accident.
Why are piggy banks disappearing?
Da, da, da. But that brings up another thing. Even though the pig shape is famous, my piggy bank is actually totally clean and empty inside. And do you know why?
Why?
Because nobody gives me actual paper cash or metal coins anymore. When I get birthday money, it's usually just digital card or a transfer on a phone. We live in a digital world now.
That is true. But do you know how people got their money out of their very first piggy banks?
They could have just opened a little lid. Early piggy banks didn't even have those little rubber plug at the bottom. To get their money back out, they literally had to get a real hammer and smash the little pig into millions of pieces.
Wow!
It's a great way to stop people from spending their money too fast because nobody wanted to break their pig.
Ouch! That sounds pretty messy. Glad we don't have to do that anymore.
Me too. I definitely don't want my piggy banks to be smashed.
$100 dilemma. Do.
So, if we don't have physical pigs anymore, why do we even need to save money in the first place? Like, imagine a scenario. Say it's my birthday and I get $100 cash.
Nice.
I get super excited, run straight to the toy store and buy a massive pile of toys. I just get to play with them right away, which sounds amazing.
Sounds like the perfect birthday. What's the problem with that?
The problem happened 6 months later. By then, I'm bored of these toys because maybe a few pieces are lost. They are sitting forgotten in the bottom of my closet, and my $100 are completely gone forever. I have $0 left.
Zero cash.
That's why saving is so important. It makes pausing today so you can buy something much bigger, cooler, and more important in the future.
Oh, I see. That's smart. It's about thinking ahead.
Exactly. It gives you safety and choices.
Bank
Versus
investing.
the ultimate battle. Alright, so let's say I decide to be smart and keep my birthday $100. I have 2 big choices to make it grow. Put it in a safe bank saving account or invest it. Let's look at the difference. Think of a regular bank saving account like a secure digital bank fortress. Your money is 100% safe and it won't disappear. The bank even pays you a tiny bit of extra money just to keep it there.
That sounds perfect. Why wouldn't everyone just do that?
Because remember when we learned in episode 1 about money losing its buying power every time? Like how a chocolate bar gets more expensive next year so the money buys less? If your $100 just sits in a regular bank for 10 years, prices in the real world will keep going up. Your $100 will stay $100, but you won't be able to buy as many groceries or toys as you used to.
All right. So what does the second choice, investing, do?
Investing means putting my money to work, like buying a little piece of a big asset, such as a famous company or real estate. If that company grows and does awesome things, my $100 could be growing to 150, 200, or even more. But unlike a safe bank account, investing is a little bit as a sport. Companies can have bad seasons and the value can drop. Your $100 could temporarily be dropped down to $80. It takes serious patience and risk.
The verdict.
Da, da, da. So, looking at both sides, bank saving is super safe but grows really slowly. Investing can make your money grow big, but it has a bumpy roller coaster ride. If you ask me, the absolute best strategy for my birthday money is to put a little bit in a bank account for emergencies and invest the rest so it can grow for the future.
Wow, you nailed it, Vivian. That's a great balance.
Thanks. Financial experts call it the diversification, which is just a fancy way to say don't put all your eggs in one basket. And don't put all the coins in one single pig.
No single pigs. Got it.
Exactly. Thank you so much for watching episode 2, family. Drop a comment below. Do you still have a real piggy bank or are you team digital? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our over 500 sub family. See you next time. Bye.